Generally, senior level resources, senior level operations, maintenance folks, or expensive contractors out there, clipboards, pens, pencils, out in the field, doing the best they can to try to record some sloppy information. That then has to get transcribed into a system of record, or CWMS. This just seems so wrought with inaccuracy and inefficiency. You then move to Ordinal, and it became as simple as using a mobile device and taking a photo of the asset, or the asset nameplate, or the physical labels on the asset. Can you tell us a little bit more kind of about that transition and what that did for efficiency and accelerating field data capture?
We engaged with Stephen at Oracle, and we sent him approximately 200 photos. And the value was clear. There was no two things about it in terms of quality, accuracy, the accuracy of the data, the quality. The way that Oracle does this is just so much more efficient and so much more accurate in the way that the data is extracted.
It looks like we have some fellow reliability folks on the line with us here today, wanting to understand a little bit more about how you've seen field data collection and the efficiencies behind the Ordinal, now Utopia Intelligent Mobile Capture solution. How did that empower reliability initiatives at the organizations that you've been with?
The biggest benefit is in that efficiency, if you look at it from the dollars to maintenance cost. I would argue that the biggest benefit that you have on the risk side is the mitigation of failure. Now, as we know in the reliability world, all of you that work there, if you do your job right, you get fired because you're not needed anymore, isn't it? So unfortunately, when you are very good, if you don't have management with sufficient insights into how these things stick together, ultimately, if you reduce the risk of failure sufficiently, then the focus gets lost. But that doesn't take away from our responsibility as engineers and as reliability and maintenance professionals to mitigate the risk as far as possible, because ultimately we have to look out for the well-being of people, first of all, the companies we work for, and the financial stability thereof. So I would say those are the two big components. On the one side, the efficiency, that always gets a focus because everybody looks at the dollars at the end of a quarter. But the other side, the risk mitigation, unfortunately, is kind of missed at many times. So if you look at efficiency versus effectiveness, both of those gain when you have proper data that you bring to bear on the problem.